you're joining me and Lucas and Joe, and we are going to the BQR open house in Cheltenham. It's quite a long way. We're on the M6 at the moment, and well, it's going to be a nice day of a bit of mix between skating and driving, so we'll see you there for some cool cars. Right, we've arrived at the open house, so if you want to come for a walk with me, let's go see some cars. Nice E36 here. Looks Calypso red, but it's probably better than mine. It's got a nice cream interior. Actually passed us on the motorway. It looks sick, to be fair. Looks like he's found a group of friends with them. I really like the wheels on that one as well, and then if those wheels were on probably the red one, it'd be pretty sick. Onto this Starlet that looks to be ITB'd in some way. He's just flexing his reliability. The boys are getting the shots of the women. I'll leave them to do that, save them of the embarrassment of walking around with a camera in your face. Sick Yaris. Good looking Civic with a bumper chop. Looks like a good bit of fun, and he's got a wood splitter on it as well. Seen that red 36 at Players Classic before now, and I think it was at Roll Hard. Lupo with a GTI engine in it. That was just the back bit to start with. This is where the general meat is over here. We'll start down here with Latitude tents because I want one, but I'm too cheap to buy one. That's sort of the main unit. We've got a few of the cars here. Cool looking Honda. Obviously we like the Hondas now on the channel. Looks like they've got some good food options, which I might try in a moment because I'm hungry as fuck. Another bit of commentary, I will say this Silvia is very nice. I've seen it at a few shows now. I think it's been at Roll Hard as well, and we just like the fitment, we like the tyres, everything. It's just good, nice and simple, not silly, nice equips. pretty much a full walk round, to be honest. There's not much more to it really. This is the morning meet, so there will be different cars here in the afternoon. But for now it's pretty good, and I'm going to go get some food, so that's that for the moment. Right, we're now leaving the meet. They were quite good. We came for the morning one. There'd probably have been more in afternoon, but it's just the crossover now, and we got some goodies. And we got a new lanyard which is down there, but we're going to leave now, so let's have a nice drive home. This is the end of the video. Now I hope you've enjoyed watching the BQR open house meet. I enjoyed it too. We got ourselves a nice air freshener. If you want to show them, Joe? Freshy freshener. And we're just taking the scenic route home. It's the A49 up through Wales. Well, it's not through Wales, it's like the side of Wales. It's just a lot nicer than the motorway. I'd recommend it. It's literally like the UK Route 66. Oh, there's the Rozzers. Anyway, so if you've enjoyed today's video, give it a like. If you want to see more of it, want to let me know what to do when I go to car shows, if you want to hear my commentary or you just want to see glam shots, let us know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe if you're not already, because I know a lot of you aren't, and it does help out. So, with that, thanks for watching, see you next time.